friends, welcome to Tallie's Tricks. Today I'm going to open up some more Squirkies. These are the last four I need to complete my collection, and I'm hoping that this one will be the golden monkey. So here's all the different ones you can get on the back. They do come in different colors. So I have the chameleon, the squishy fish, pop tube pup, pop bop butterfly, clickety cat, squiggly snake, jiggly jellyfish, and cheeky pop monkey. So now I have the scorpion, the hedgehog, the turtle, and the axolotl. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the axolotl. This one is a spin fin axolotl. These are the different fidget features it has. I think all of them have 3 fidget features. Here's our collection paper. And this is the golden monkey that I hope we get. It's ultra rare. And it says 1 in 3 chance in the mystery pack, which is this one. So we'll see about that. We'll see if we get it. So on the front of the box, it shows us our different fidgets. And on the collection paper, it also shows you the other colors that each of the Squirkies comes in. Oh, the legs move. Oh, look at her eyes. Oh my gosh, she's cross-eyed. That's funny. Does this remind you of a certain pony from My Little Pony? Huh. That's awesome. And then we can see this part spins. Ah! It's like a fidget spinner right here. It's a little hard to hold on to the rest of your toy. I guess hold on to its head is easier. Oh, the back legs move too. That's funny. Are those all the features? Yep, so the eyes moving, the legs moving, and our fidget spinner part. And that's our spin fin axolotl. Now let's do the turtle. Toggles turtle. Looks like Toggles has a tail that moves. Tail moves up and down. Oh, that's fun. There's like buttons on the shell on the top and sides. That's actually really fun. So you can kind of wiggle the head just a little bit. So this is our toggle turtle. Now let's check out Twirly Whirl Hedgehog. I actually babysat my friend's hedgehog once. It was really cute. So let's see what our hedgehog does. Ooh, that's a good spinner. It's almost like a saw blade. Huh. Ooh, but I like that. And then this part around it, the little spikes are rubbery. It's a little bit stretchy. It's got soft spikes. And then the bottom is round, so it wobbles. So that's our Twirly Whirly Hedgehog. And then we have Switchety Scorpion. So the first thing on here is that the arms move. Oh, fun. And then it looks like there's 2 buttons on the top. Oh, I was hoping the eyes would move. They're just buttons. they can click. And these are kind of rubbery legs. That's not even on the list of features. And then we have this cool tail. Like those bendy things. I don't know what they're called. But these are really fun to play with. This is a little short one. Do you guys remember Honey, I Shrunk the Kids? The scorpion. That was so sad. So here is Switchety Scorpion. And then we have our mystery one. So we're going to either get a duplicate pet or a gold monkey. Really hope it's a gold monkey. Last time I opened a mystery pack, I got a Pop Tube Pup, which is cool too. All right, guys. Check it out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love this one. I love the monkey. So, you can twist his tail. His eyes move. And then, this is the best part. You can pop his little butt cheeks. And then if you push on his ears, they pop back out. I don't know why this is the funniest thing to me. You can do one at a time. You can do it together. Yay! We found the gold monkey. All right, guys, now I have one of each of the Squirkies and the golden monkey. Let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching Tallie's Tricks. Bye. If you want to see the features of the other ones really quick, if you don't, then video's over, you can go now. Okay, chameleon, rubber tail, button on the top that sticks his tongue out, and you can turn his eyes. Clickety cat. Ears go back and forth and the eyes move. You can push the nose in and out. And you can crank the tail. Okay, Pop Pop Butterfly has a little turny wheel right here in the middle. Also works as a spinner and has pop wings. Squishin' Fish has textured scales on the side, a stretchy tail, and is supposed to blow bubbles. There we go. And there is a little worm in the bubble, so I can't get it to work very well, but Squiggly Snake has a little bendy body. You can turn to different shapes. You can turn the eyes. And there's a stretchy tongue. Pop Tube Pup has a tube body. When you move his tongue, his eyes move. And his ears can go up and down. And our Jiggly Jellyfish has 2 buttons on the back. They can press. Stretchy legs, or tentacles. And you can like squeeze the sides in. And then my family likes to do this. Like, make it creepy. And if you're still here, thank you so much for watching till the end. Let me know which one of these is your favorite, and I'll see you next time.